Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and a comment. That really helps my channel to grow. In today's video I will turn a mahogany pen. This is the first pen I have ever turned. I made the blank from a piece of mahogany I had in the workshop, and I made it in 120 centimeters times 2.5 times 2.5. I don't have jaws for pen blanks, so I just squeezed it in the middle of the 100mm jaws, and it worked quite good. I'm using a 6.9mm drill to drill out the hole in the blank. Yeah, I'm just measuring where to cut the blank, and I will cut it in the middle, 6 centimeters. And just putting a little mark on it so I know which way to orientate the grain afterwards. I'm just sanding the brass tubes for the blanks so it will stick better with the glue inside the wood. I'm using a thin CA to glue in the brass pipes. Somebody told me you were supposed to use a thicker one for this, but I didn't have any home, so I had to do, and it seems to work okay. Yeah, I'm using a barrel trimmer to cut away the wood down to the brass pipe. I do that on both blanks and in both ends of the blank. Yeah, I'm assembling the jig and the blanks together and aligning the blanks with the mark I've made on the wood. One of the blanks was a little too long, so I went out and cut it down approximately 5mm. I was a little unsure how fast you turn a pen like this, so I set it on 2300 RPM. And I used my 60-degree iris grind ball gouge to turn the pen. As this is my first pen, I wanted to try and do a classic one and nothing fancy. I just went after a good feeling when it was in the hands. I sanded the pen from grit 180 to 800, and then I cleaned it off in denatured alcohol and gave it one coat of cellulose sanding sealant. After that I used Microfine abrasive paste to give it the last finish, and then 2 coats of Danish oil. I used benchwise to assemble the pen. It's not optimal, but it's doable. I think if I need to do more assembly, I will make some kind of jig for this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell below, and please comment in the comment section. That will greatly help my channel to grow. I hope you have a nice day and stay safe out there.